up, traders? It's Dynamic Trades for another daily recap. So today was actually a green day. We are profit $150.20. I traded I got some pre-market action in on ATXI and also some at open. So I'll be going over that today. ATXI is the only stock I traded today. So on pre-market, it it started popping up. Um it wasn't on the top of the scanners. It was a little down, but the top of the scanner was it had a dead cat bounce, AKUS. It was a dead cat bounce at 87%. ZVO 26 cents, too low for me. COMS, it was at 7 cents, too low for me. And RMED, we could take a look at this one. This one, it kind of had like I would say a pump and dump kind of thing going on. I just wasn't really trying to trust it. So watch, let's see here. So this one, pre-market, it had this. I mean, it had this little clean break right here, this little breakout spot. It popped up on the scanner as this was breaking out, but I didn't really feel like trusting it. So it hit the high of 839, and then consolidation right here, and then it dropped, and then it tried retesting 839 again up here. It rejected. So I mean, you could have got little trades in here, but it's not really something you could trust in for my criteria. It wasn't really something to trust, and then at open it just kind of fell and lost all its gains really. Well, see, all the way down here to 593. So that one I was watching pre-market, but and it didn't end up taking any trades on it. I was watching it though. But ATXI, so this one was nice. It popped up on the scanner. It was pretty down farther. They had AVEO, that was a dead cat bounce. BPTS, that was 75 cents, and then ACON $1.07. That one was low volume. And then, a bunch of other ones, a bunch of other stocks that were, below a dollar or just approaching a dollar. So, you know, um, but yeah, ATXI was up 16 16% pre-market. So I decided to watch it and um, right here. So my first order on this was, where was it at? Right here. So I got this right here. This 1 minute candle to make a new high. I got filled at 391 392. So right around this area 392, and then I watched this breakout. I took half off the table. I bought 800 shares, so I sold four. I sold 400 at 398 was my fill. So from 392 to 398, 6 cents of profit with 400 shares, little profits, and then I ended up selling the other half at 399. So I was completely out. Then I waited for this consolidation to happen. I was just watching this consolidation happen right here, just waiting for it. It kind of retested. It retested its higher highs right here, and kind of just rejected. It was just consolidation points. I was just waiting for a confirmation. We got confirmation here, consolidation and confirmation. So I ended up buying here off this 9 EMA line, 1 minute counter to make a new high to retest the highs up here. So I ended up buying in at I got filled at $4 exactly, and I took with 800 shares. I traded all this whole stock with 800 shares each time. So I got filled at $4 down here, $4. 1 minute counter to make a new high, and then I sold up here at 306. So 6 cents profit with 800 shares. I think it's I don't know, 40, 30 bucks or something like that. Then I took two more trades. I took two more trades on this one. I actually bought in again right here, I seen green on the tape. Some decent sized orders come in on the level two. So I ended up buying in at 408, 408. Got filled at 409. That was my limit price. It got filled at 409, and then I sold up here. I took half off the table at right here at this line, um, 414, and then I took the rest off the table at 416 right here. So that was some decent profits. And then I actually took one loss on this, I believe. Yes, I did. Um, I ended up taking, where is it at? I ended up taking one at open. It was a small loss though. Where was it at? Right here. So this is kind of red to green action right here. So I seen it. I ended up buying in kind of high. I got filled kind of high at 408, and it popped up to 4, and then I ended up taking this loss at this VWAP right here. So 406. So 2 cents on 800 shares, not bad. Then my last trade of the day was actually, where was it at? Um, right here. So this 1 minute candle to make a new high. I got filled at 415 and sold up here at 420. So that was 5 cents profit. So yeah, ETXI. I know Spy was doing really well today. I had that on check, pre-market. Just to see where the direction of the market's going. Um, you know, so Spy had a pretty good day today. Here it is. See. So I usually keep Spy on check. I usually have it on one of my screens at least, um, just to see where the market direction is. But if we got news like ATXI, I'm not real too sure why it kind of popped off. Um, I know 13G filing for CVI investment shows 6.6 stake in company. I mean, it had a little bit of news, a little bit of catalyst, but nothing too big. So, yeah, I just took advantage of this, and then pretty much after that, I traded in this right time right here, right at open, because after that, it just kind of downfalled right here. So that was good. Had some pre-market breaks right there, and then just right at open, and a few minutes after open, it just collapsed. So yeah, I know. What's it called? Netflix had earnings today too. It's up. It's up 30 bucks, I think, $32. So I guess they had a beat on earnings as well. I don't trade nothing this high cap, but I do pay attention to the market and CPI and all that stuff. Just to get an idea where the market's headed and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow for another video.